Hey you guys, it's Justnene here back with another makeup tutorial, and today we're going to be doing a cut crease, a glitter cut crease. And if you like this look so far, go ahead and like and click the notification bell so you know whenever I drop another video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and stick around and get the full deets on this look. Going in with my Louise base and zero, and I basically tapped that into my eyelids and created this wonderful base. I went into my Morphe palette, 35B palette, and I picked the dark blue shade, and I'm just taking this small shader brush from Real Technique and I'm just tapping that into the crease. I also went into my Juvias Place palette, my Zulu palette, and I took that purple shade and I'm taking this larger shader brush and I'm just tapping that right on top of the blue. And now I'm going in with a clean buffing brush. It's like a crease brush, and I'm just mixing, well, not mixing, but I'm just blending the purple and the blue together to get that diffused look. Now I went back into the palette and I went into the Juvias Place Warriors palette and I took that orange shade and I'm just tapping that above the purple with a smaller shader brush. And also, don't worry you guys, you have to go back and forth with the shades to keep them vibrant, and you don't want them to, like, you know, disappear when you add another shade. So you want to be careful. It's not like putting, you know, 2 shades, it's like 3 shades. So you want to make sure that all the shades are just blended well. You don't want any harsh lines or anything like that. Now I'm going in with some Vaseline, and I'm using this lip applicator to like clean up my eyelids so I can begin to cut my crease. This is my first time doing this, you guys, so yeah, I was like, I don't know. But right now I'm taking my Neutrogena wet wipes and I'm just cleaning that out. And now I'm going in with this Morphe flat concealer brush, and I went in with Louise base and zero, and I'm just cutting my crease. This is really hard for me to do on camera, so I'm surprised that y'all was able to see everything. So yeah, then I went in with a smaller Morphe brush to make sure that my crease was like clean. So now I went in with a clean buffing brush and I tapped in the base into my eyelid, and now I'm going in with the dark blue and I'm just tapping that towards the end of my cut crease to blend that all out. I also went in with the purple and I blended that with the dark blue, and then I went into my Morphe Jacklyn Hill palette and took that turquoise shimmer shade and I applied that on top of the lid. And now I'm going in with some glitter from Glow Up Academy, and I used a little bit of lash glue. Now I'm taking Sephora Precision black liner, which I love so much. Now I'm going in with some moisturizer, and I also went in with Milk's primer. Now I went in with Nars and Marquees, and I'm taking this Real Techniques brush and I'm just tapping that into my skin. You guys already know this part, so I don't really have to say much. going in with Born This Way concealer in mocha, and I'm using that to highlight and also clean up my eyeliner to give it that sharp, pointy liner that we need. Now I'm going in with black opal, and this is Ebony, my favorite contour. My favorite, well, it's actually a foundation, but I use it to contour. I love it. And I went in with Inglot's gel liner, and I just applied some liner underneath my eye and my waterline. And right now I'm just taking this beauty blender and I'm just blending out the edges of my concealer. I kind of want my concealer to set a bit because baby girl is it's a little wet still, and we want to make sure that your concealer set into your skin, because then it gives you that nice flawless look at the end. Now I'm taking my favorite brush from Real Technique. It's actually a highlighting brush, but I use it for everything. So I'm just using that to tap the concealer under my eyes. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier and Topaz mixed, and I just took that beauty blender and I'm just tapping in the setting powder into my skin. And now I'm going in with this angled brush and I am blending out the foundation from the black opal foundation stick in Ebony. Now I'm just adding some of that dark blue under my eyes. That's all, nothing major. Now I'm going in with Dark Deep and MAC face powder, and I'm just placing that all over the skin. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette. And I'm just setting all that. Going in with some blush. Literally got this blush from the hair store, you guys. It's no fancy blush, it's just regular blush. So I set my face with Morphe setting mist, and I just went back in with Dark Deep from MAC face powder to set my face again. And now I'm going in with Morphe Spark highlighter, and I'm just highlighting my forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Now I'm going in with this dark brown lip pencil that I got from the hair store. I'm just lining up my lips, and then I went in with this shade. It's like a purple pink. I don't know what shade is it. It's like a violet or something. And I'm just lining that up with the brown. Hey guys, so I used, because you know my camera be dying, I used this lipstick, Wet n Wild, in, what is this called, Rebel Rose, and then Revlon in Supernatural 215 as my gloss. And I also went in with NYX Baby Doll right here. And my lip pencil was a dark brown pencil, and it was like a purple, like a more purpley pink lip pencil. Got them from the hair store for $1. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. this completes the look, you guys. Thank you for sticking around to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, let me know what other videos you would like me to post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.